Okay, sorry about that. Finishing up with number 9. So we have the vertex at 3, 2. We see that it's opening down. Since it's opening down, we found the distance of our p-value to be 3. And since it's opening down, we know we're going to have a negative. So we have y is equal to negative 1 over 4 times p, which is 12. And then we have x minus our h value, so minus 3 squared plus 2. Number 10, write the equation for the parabola that has the vertex of negative 2, 6. So we're going to say this is right here, vertex, negative 2, 6. And a directrix at x is equal to 1. So that's our directrix. Okay, since our directrix is on the right, we know that this is opening to the left. So we know that it's opening to the, oops, I did this in the wrong direction. Negative 2, 6 is up here. Okay, so we know that it's going to be opening to the left, which we know is negative. Okay, so from our directrix to our vertex, we know is 3 units, so our p is going to be equal to 3. So if we write our equation, we have y is equal to negative, because it's opening to the left, 1 over 4 times p, which is 12, and then y minus our k value, so y minus 6 squared minus 2. Number 11, we have to identify the vertex, focus, and directrix, and the axis symmetry, and then sketch. So since we are starting with this x value, remember that this is not hk, this is kh. So that means k is negative 5 and h is negative 1. So our vertex is negative 1, negative 5. Since this is positive, we know that we're opening to the right. So we have a vertex of negative 1, negative 5, so down here. Okay. This 1 over 2, remember to find our p-value, we do 4p is equal to 2. Divide by 4, we get p is equal to 1/2. So the same as 0.5. Okay. So that means that is our distance from the, this is our distance from the focus point, which is going to be somewhere over here, and the directrix, which is going to be somewhere over here. So 0.5. So that means our directrix is going to be x equals negative 1.5. And our focus point is going to be negative 0.5 comma negative 5. And then our AOS is going to be y is equal to negative 5. Because again, this is what's splitting our parabola in half. And then last example, we have number 12. So now that we're starting with y equals, we know that this is hk. So our vertex h comma k is going to be negative 2, 1. Okay. Since this is negative, we know it's going down, which means our focus point has to be somewhere over here, and our directrix has to be somewhere over here. So setting this 4p equal to 4, we get p is equal to 1. So that means we have a focus of negative 2, negative 2, because we went down 1, and a directrix of y, one second, this is negative 2, 1. A directrix of y is equal to 2, and then an axis of symmetry, x equals negative 2. So axis of symmetry here, our directrix y equals 2. And since it is going down, we know it is a negative distance. And that's it.